So I'm doing video now. So I bought bike. It's Genesis bike from Walmart and woman bike, ladies Whirlwind gray bike. So it came looking like this. Why? Hope it's okay. Wait.
Here, wait a minute. We're gonna be putting it up here.
Gentle.
Why gentle?
Oh, heavy.
Not really. Okay, this is, I think, where the seat goes. This is what? How do you do this?
This is bad.
They got a kickstand?
Don't move it yet.
Okay, boss.
Because here, look.
Oh, I gotta go get my glasses.
And pocket seat. Seat is here. This. Oh. Again, package was this and it's broken. Look. Oh, but it's not needed.
Right?
And this.
No. Not okay. Yeah.
Uh-oh, even they didn't put any booklets. They should put book to how much pump and they didn't.
Oh, they just put on elastics. You don't even gotta cut anything. Oh, this is zip ties. Right.
So hold it.
Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm not messing up the basement after I just got through cleaning it.
Yeah. Bring some. This one.
We're not keeping that box.
No. This one brake we don't have to install because it's on this wheel. See? Here is brake.
Don't you have a kickstand?
So I cut them.
Sure.
So you have.
Okay, now you cut this.
No!
I know, Gosha, I'm only kidding.
That was easy.
Put that in the garbage. Put that in the garbage. Put this and this in the garbage. What's this thing?
This is supposed to be other one.
It's a good thing you're not filming me, huh?
I filming.
Now, what size what goes on where?
Right and left.
Okay.
Scissors. Yeah, this is just protection.
All right.
That we will do at the end.
I just want to see some. This one goes on this side.
No, this is right, see?
No, left. It goes on this side.
No.
Yes.
No.
Just want to see if they're paying attention.
I pay. Oh, you have rope.
What rope?
Rope.
Oh, wait a minute now.
We buy you two, right? Buy.
Well, we'll see how it goes then, maybe, yeah. Oh, I wanted to check
I
something.
saw in Walmart, but the guy was. What?
Do you want to leave this on?
No.
Why not? How do you take that out? Oh,
Oh, well.
get a stale one if you need it.
No, I see some cable. Wow.
Wow.
And where is
Oh,
the
no.
skull?
We'll figure that out one time, me. Just make sure.
Oh, I think it goes here.
What goes there? The cable?
This. Because this is
Yeah, it
connected.
might go like that. It's got to go through here.
So it goes
Oh,
like
watch
up?
out, watch out. Just hold that for now. You just gotta, oh, it's gonna need that Allen wrench. Hopefully we'll have one, otherwise we have to buy a set.
There's stuff.
Too small.
And then
Tell me what you want. How's that?
seems fine. And put the stuff. Body store this. So to complete the hook. Hook up.
Right goes right, I believe. Is this too small?
Wait, I
Plus.
hold it.
Too small. Too small. Now what are we gonna do? They're all too small.
Oh no. Funny hole, yeah.
Yeah, you wear a hole.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, because we gotta... What's this one? What did it say? How many 16ths?
15 millimeters.
Meters.
I don't know that 16.
Cool, we got a bigger one? Oh, yeah, we do on the next one.
Okay.
That's good. One little one for good luck.
No,
That's good.
not so strong. We're doing wrench. What size is it?
I don't care about the size, to be honest with you. If you could hold that still so I can do this part. Do you think we can slide it through? Okay, I'll get the handlebars.
Yeah.
Oh, we're probably going to take it completely off.
Yeah.
Not that it's a big deal. Oh, go ahead. You can stick it in now.
Yeah. So hold that bike. And this should be outside.
No, this is the outside.
No.
You want to bet?
This wanna bet on pictures I saw.
And I saw something that said back. You're right, rear. Yeah, you're right. I knew I seen something that said rear.
This should be here.
Okay.
And this, we have to look if the wires looks fine.
Two on one side, one on the other.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure which ones, and if we can't figure it out, don't worry about it. It's got to go like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the brakes go like that. That's got to go down. Okay, that still moves, so that's good.
So somewhere here.
No, that's got to stay on this side. Might.
Wait. With this.
Yeah. Yeah, I know how to do it, Kosha. Do it the small. No. Is that the one I just gave you?
No, this one is bigger. This is too big.
Okay, so we'll put it back in.
Put in the hole. Correct hole. Oh, we have smaller.
And you put this in there so you can have something to grab.
Okay. third one, right?
Ja.
Too big a piece. Get out of the way.